Hello children, today we learn simple present and simple past. As we have already studied what are verbs, verbs are action words. They express a certain type of action, be it physical action or mental action. So these words which express actions taking place in the present time, that means those actions which take place at the present moment are said to be in simple present forms. Or you can say that whenever we talk about an action that is happening at the present moment, it is said to be in simple present forms. Now we'll see where can we use the simple present form. First, to state an all-time truth. That means something which is universal truth, something that you cannot deny, something that is true all the time. For that you use simple present form. For example, water boils at 100 degree Celsius. This is a truth. You cannot deny this fact that water boils at 100 degree Celsius. So for this we use simple present form. In simple present tense, the verb has to be always in its first form. Always the first form of verb is used. So here as you can see, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Boils is the verb here and it is in its first form. Now the sun and the moon create tides in our ocean. Some more examples could be the sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Now to talk about habits or routine also we use simple present forms. For example, I go for a walk every morning. Now this is my routine, this is my habit to go for a walk every morning. So for this also we use simple present form. Go is a verb which is in its first form. Now I learned to play the violin on Sundays. Third, to talk about something that is true for the present time which may change later. Now, whenever we talk about something which could be true for the present time but it could change later, for that purpose also we use simple present form. For example, I like ice cream. Now, I like ice cream right now. At the present moment, I like ice cream. But later, I may not like the ice cream. I may like something else. So that's why here this thing is temporary, that I like ice cream. I may not like ice cream later. So that's why we have used simple present form, that is like. Like is the verb here which is in its first form. Now we learn simple past forms. Now verbs that are used to express actions that took place in the past are said to be in simple past forms. Now whenever we talk about actions that have already been taken place in the past, they are said to be in simple past forms. Or you can say that the actions that are already done by someone, those actions are said to be in simple past forms. See, in simple past forms we always use second form of verb. Now we'll see in which cases we can use the simple past forms. First, to talk about an action that has already happened. For example, mom washed our car this morning. So this action, washing, has been done in the morning. Now my mom must be doing something else. But this action, that is washing our car, this has already happened in the morning. That's why washed is used here, and washed is the verb here which is in its second form. Now dad cooked a pot of superb biryani last night. Now I am talking about last night. So last night what happened? Dad cooked a pot of biryani. So this action is also done. When it was done last night. So again we are talking about an action that has already happened. So again cooked is a verb here which is in its second form. This is in its simple past form. Now to talk about a period of time which started and ended in the past, we use simple past forms. See here, for example, we played in the garden in the afternoon. When we were playing in the garden in the afternoon. Now we are not playing in the garden, but we played in the garden in the afternoon time. So This was the action that started in the past and ended in the past only. Now, two birds built their nest in a tree in the garden last week. Now, last week what happened? Two birds built their nest. They are not building their nest now. They are not building their nest anymore. This action is already done. When this action was done? Last week. So, this action started in the past and ended in the past only. Now, to talk about habits in the past. My sister danced well late when she was younger. Now, when my sister was younger, what her habit was? Her habit was to dance well. Now, at the present moment, she might not be able to dance well, but when she was younger, she danced well. So, I am talking about a habit that was in the past time.